Good morning to all. Yes. Today we will start the class with the daily test. Shall I send the link in the chat box? Are you all ready?
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Yes. Okay.
Yes. Mute.
Yeah, I will mute everybody now. Before that, are you all ready with your workbook?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, close it and keep it on one side. I am going to send the link in the chat box. All of you check your chat box.
Ma'am, get the link.
Got?
Yes.
Yes. Yes.
Okay,
Yes,
now I am
ma'am.
going to mute everybody. Only 2 questions are there. First, you have to write your name, then select your class and division. Then, 2 questions are there. I will read the questions for you now. First, write your name, then select your class and division. Then the first question is the standard unit of length is dash. Standard unit of length. Kilometer, meter, centimeter. Second one, the distance between 2 endpoints of an object is its dash. Kilometer, length, meter. The distance between 2 endpoints of an object. Yes, good. Arav, Devnandan, Mayuga, Sribala, Hadlin, Johan, Mahadevan, Angelina, Yadav, Mivan, Mivon. What full marks? Sadik, what happened, Sadik? The distance between 2 endpoints of an object. We always discuss the same in the class, no? Sifania, Ahmed got full marks. Yes. Once again, I will send the link. Rida has joined now. Rida, daily test is there. I am going to send the link in the chat box once again for you. The link is there in the chat box. After Sifania, nobody has. Mahadevan, Adlin, Sifania, Sri Bala, Mayuga, Yadav, Angelina, Binda, Devnandan, Da Sadik. Okay, Brinda has submitted. Yes, Rida has submitted. Niranjan is entering now. So once again, I will send the link for you. Niranjan, daily test is there. I'm going to send the link. Where is Niranjan? Yes. Niranjan, once again, I am sending the link for you. Niranjan, the link is there in the chat box. Only 2 questions are there. Do it fast. Brenda, what happened, Brenda? You don't know the distance. What is the distance between 2 endpoints of an object? Only Brenda and Sadik got the answer wrong. Second one. Okay. Those who have, all of you have submitted the answer sheets, right? Only Niranjan is left. He entered late. So others take your workbook. Open your workbook page. I think so. Page number 29. 30. Page number 30. Take page number 30. Yes, Niranjan has also submitted. All of you take your workbook, page number 30. We were doing the workbook problems, right? I'm going to share the board share the board. We'll show you the page number 30 on the screen. Before that, let me ask the questions. Children, which is the biggest unit of length? Biggest unit of length. Yes, Angelina?
Kilometer.
Kilometer. Good. Kilometer is the biggest unit of length. Which is the smallest unit of length? Yeah, the smallest unit of length.
Millimeter.
Millimeter. Good. Millimeter is the smallest unit of length. The distance between 2 endpoints of an object is called dash. Sadik, the
Meter.
distance. Huh?
Meter.
Meter. The distance between 2 endpoints of an object is called
Length.
length. The same thing you got mistake in the test, daily test. Isn't it, Sadik? Brenda,
Yes, ma'am.
the distance between 2 endpoints of an object is called
Length.
length. Okay. Don't get mistake again, okay, Brenda? Okay, now I am going to share the board. Page number 30. One second. I'll show you the page now. We were doing this page. Yes. All of you listen here. There is a correction in page number 13. What standard instrument are used to measure lengths of? Cut this ruler and write pencil. cut this ruler. And write pencil over there. Pencil. The instrument used to measure length of pencil and cloth. Now on the first line, write pencil. Okay. Now which instrument can be used to measure pencil? Mayuga?
Ma'am.
Yes. Which instrument can be used to measure pencil?
Centimeter.
Centimeter. We can use scale, isn't it, to measure it?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Good. Right over here, scale. Which instrument is used to measure length of pencil? Scale is the instrument which can be used to measure pencil. Now next one is cloth. Now which instrument can be used to measure cloth, children? Which instrument can be used to measure cloth? Miva. Yes. Yes, Miva, which instrument can be used to measure cloth? In the tailor shop and all, which instrument they use?
Yeah.
Tape. Yes, measuring tape. Yes, good. They use measuring tape, right? Measuring tape. Measuring tape can be used to measure cloth. Okay. Good, children. Answered. Now, next one. Measure these objects using a ruler and complete the table. Already the object is given. The scale is also given down. You have to just tell me what is the measurement given over there. Zephania. The first one is a chocolate bar, isn't it?
Yes.
What is the measurement of that chocolate bar, dear?
6.
6 centimeter, isn't it?
Yes.
Yes, good. The end point of the chocolate has reached to 6, so the length is 6 centimeter. Now next one. Chidrup. Next one is a comb. What is the end point of, where does the end point of the comb reach?
8.
8. The end point of the comb is at 8. So the measurement is 8 centimeter. Good. Now, question number 5. In question number 5, it is asked the unit of the object. Take the unit that is used to measure the given object. A bud is given. And it is written over there in one column millimeter, then centimeter, meter, kilometer. You have to tell me which unit is used to measure, can be used to measure a bud. Yes, Abhinav.
Millimeter.
Millimeter. Very good. Yes. Millimeter can be used to measure. That is the unit which can be used to measure a bud. Bud is smaller than a small scale, isn't it? We used to clean our ear and all. You might have seen the bud. So put a tick mark on the first column, mm, millimeter. Now turn over the page, page number 31. This is the page. A bat. It's a bat, cricket bat. Cricket bat can be measured with, in which unit? Mahadevan.
Yeah. Ma'am.
Yes.
Yes. Ma'am.
Yes, cricket bat can be measured in which unit?
Centimeter.
Centimeter. Okay, good. It can be measured with a big scale. It is very smaller than us, isn't it? Can be measured in centimeters. So put a tick mark on cm, under cm. Good, Mahadevan. Yes. Now, next one is a racket. It is a tennis bat. Sri Bala.
Yes, ma'am.
B is a tennis bat, isn't it? Small one. It can be used. Which unit can be used for measuring that bat?
Centimeter.
Centimeter. Yes, good. Tennis bat is a small bat. It can be measured with a big scale. So centimeter. Arav. Yes, question number C. Distance between?
Kilometer.
Kilometer. Yes. Distance between school and the house. It's kilometer. Good. Put a tick mark on the last column. Kilometer. Fourth one is height of a chair. Who is left to answer? Hadlin.
Yes, ma'am.
Question number D. Height of a chair. It is a chair, right?
Yes.
Yes. In which unit it can be measured? The height of a chair?
Meter.
Meter. Yes, good. It is bigger than a big scale. The height is bigger than a big scale. So it can be measured in meter. Now let me see the next page. Next page, page number 32. Page number 32, this is the page. An inland letter. I don't know whether you have seen an inland letter or not. Then who is left to answer? Niranjan.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. In page number 32, take the unit that is used to measure the length or width of the following objects. The first one,
Centimeter.
centimeter, or it can be millimeter. Width, no? This side can be measured in centimeter, but this one is small. It can be measured in millimeter. Okay, good. It can be measured in centimeter or millimeter, but it is since it is smaller than a small scale, you can measure with the millimeter unit. Okay, next one, a table. Now who is left to answer? Devanandan.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. It's a table, right?
Yes.
Yeah. The length of the table can be measured.
Centimeter.
Of a table, of a desk. It is longer, no? Little bit.
Yes.
Oh. Is it a bench? It is a
Yes.
bench. It's a big table, dear. It can be measured in meter. That is a big, I think so. It is a big table or a big bench. Next one. Who is left to answer now? Johan. Johan, unmute. He's feeling very difficulty in unmuting. Rida.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, it is a screw. This part of a screw can be measured in which unit? The small part? Millimeter. It's a small part, it can be measured with millimeter unit. Yes, good. Now question number D. Mivon. Mivon, the last one. Swing. That's sitting part of a swing. In which unit it can be measured?
Centimeter.
Huh? Centimeter. It is it is little more big, isn't it? It is bigger than a big scale, so it can be measured in meters. Put a tick mark under meter. Yes. Now from question number 18 we can do tomorrow, because I don't have the page with me now. From question number 18 we can do it tomorrow because I don't have the pages. Okay. 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 So I am going to take some, it is still 9 minutes are left. So I'm going to take a small revision, oral revision. Okay, I'm going to ask you some questions. Subtraction, do you remember subtraction, all of you? Do you remember the properties and all? Yes? Okay, let me see how many of you remember the properties of subtraction and all. It is a previous chapter, isn't it? Okay. The answer of subtraction is called dash. What is the answer of subtraction called? The answer of subtraction is called, many of you have, yes. Ara, the answer of subtraction is called?
Different.
Difference. Good. The answer of subtraction is called difference. Very good. Now, what is zero property of subtraction? What does it tell us? Zero property. Yes. Hadlin, zero property of subtraction.
When
When a number is subtracted.
we add a number with zero, we will get the same number.
Very good. Yes. When a number is subtracted with zero, when zero is subtracted from a number, we get the number itself. We get the same number. Good. That is zero property. Now, what is the second property? Yes. Zephania, second property.
After number property.
After number. For subtraction, it is before or after?
Before.
Is it before or after? Final answer. What is the final answer, whether it is after or before?
Before number.
Okay, okay, yes, good. Before number property is the second property. What does it tell us, Rida?
When a number is added with, when a number is subtracted with one, we get the before number.
Yes, good, good. When a number is subtracted with 1, we will get the before number, or when 1 is subtracted from a number, we get the previous number, before number, isn't it? Good. Now, what is the third property? Third one. Yes, Sadik. Third one.
Mutate property.
Huh? No, it is for addition. Commutative property is for addition. For subtraction, what is the property? Children, zero property, after number property, and commutative property. Those three properties are for addition. In subtraction, the first one is zero property, then before number property, then what is the third one? Yes, Miva. Third one?
Number from itself.
Huh?
From itself.
Subtracting a number from itself. Mivon, when we will subtract a number from itself, what we will get? We will get 0. Yes, good. Third property is subtracting a number from itself. When a number is subtracted from itself, or when same numbers are subtracted, we will get 0. That is the third property of subtraction. Okay, good children. Most of you remember the properties. Most of you remember that subtraction chapter, isn't it? Very good. Now, from 18th onwards, we will do tomorrow. I will send the message whether you have to bring the workbook or you have to bring the rough book. According to that, you have to be ready with your book. Okay, children? So see you tomorrow.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you, children. Bye-bye. See you tomorrow.
Bye, ma'am.